Hello, Hope students. Welcome to Miss Moore's classroom. I'm excited to have you. By now we should have had our welcome call, and I wanted to give you a video to help get you started in class. One of the first things that you're going to do when you log into flvs.net, you're going to click on your course. So under your Hope course, you're going to click on the word course, and it's going to bring you here to your announcement page. So I definitely want to review the things that are on your announcement page. One of the things that might look a little bit different are those blue sidebars. So if you haven't put your blue bars on yet, then let me show you what your announcement page will look like when you first log in. So here it is. When you get to this point, I want you to go over to where your name is, click on your name, go to Account Preferences, and then click Yes for use of sidebar navigation, and then Save Changes. It's going to give you these great blue buttons over here that make navigating course so much easier. All right. The one thing that I do want to point out is if you don't have Microsoft Office, you can get it for free as a Florida Virtual School student. So definitely make sure that you check that top of your announcement page to be able to log in to get your free Microsoft Office. As you scroll down, you're going to have all of my information available. Here's my phone number, my email, my office hours, and then when it's time for you to do your discussion-based assessment or DBA, or if you still need to make a welcome call appointment, this is where you're going to click. And it is actually going to take you to my appointment scheduler. And I'm going to take you there now so you can see what it looks like. If you've done your welcome call appointment, then you probably have already done this, but just in case, I want to make sure you understand where to go. And here is my scheduler. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the highlighted times. So right now, all that's left for this week are appointments for Thursday, and you'll see the highlighted times in on my computer. It's green. If by chance there weren't any appointments left for this week, you click this top right button and it will take you to next week, and just make sure you scroll down and you can see all of the appointment times that are available. If by chance there aren't any times that work for you, please text me and we'll see what we can work out. Or if you're trying to finish over the weekend and nothing is available, definitely text me and we will figure something out as well. All right, so that's how you make an appointment. As you scroll down on your announcement page, you're going to see lots of great resources. There are guided notes that you can use, lots of helpful videos, there are review sheets. So all on this right-hand side are your resources for each module and each segment. You can click on this Where Do I Begin? It takes you to great resources. All of your wellness plans, so your documents that you need for your wellness plans are right here. So if you have trouble getting your wellness plan in the lesson, then you can always come back to here. There's help videos, perfect place if you have a question and it happens to be after hours for me. Perfect place to go if you have questions. Exercise library, that is going to be videos on your different exercises that you should be doing or need to be doing. And as you get to those, you'll understand why this library is so fantastic to show you proper form. Here are page charts. I will actually be putting a page chart detailed for you, specifically based on what we talked about in our welcome call on top of your assessments tab, and I will show you that in a minute. And calculating moves, that's for your tracker data information, which we talked about in your welcome call as well. If we haven't had your welcome call yet, don't worry, we'll talk about it when we do have that call. For the collaboration, the live lesson collaboration assignments, this is going to be where you can click to get into the live lesson. You can also download it to your mobile device, so iPad or phone. You can also go to the live lesson there. You will only have to do one live lesson, and that will take care of your collaboration product and reflection assignments. I will also show you what I'm talking about as far as those assignments go when I get further into the lessons, but I wanted you to be aware that the calendar for those days and times are right here, and this is where you can click to join to go to those live lessons. Lots of more great resources down here. These are Florida Virtual School resources, so if you ever need anything regarding Florida Virtual School, this is a great place for you to go. All right, so now you're ready to get started with class. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to click on lessons. Lessons is like your grade book, and this is where you're going to get all of your information. Once you click on lessons, you can either get to your lessons by clicking on the menu, and you can go to module 1. If you're in segment 1, you'll start at module 1. If you're in segment 2, you start at module 4. So you can go to module 1 and you can have your menu bar this way, or you can click on the one down here and you can have your menu bar this way. It takes you to the same place for each one. So once you're in a lesson, you're going to see across the top, there's a menu, there's the page numbers, and how you can scroll through your pages. All right. Notes is if you want to take notes while you're going through the lesson. This is a glossary of terms in case you need it. And videos is that video gallery that I was talking about just a little bit ago. And if you wanted to print each page so you can save it in a notebook, that's perfectly okay. Just click that print button. At the end of each lesson, on the very last page, it's going to tell you exactly what you need to submit for this lesson. So you're going to come to this assessment page, and this blue check mark is going to tell you exactly what you need to turn in. For this lesson, you're going to read the lesson, review the checklist that's at the very beginning, and then in the assessments area, you're going to complete the 1.00 plan pretest. So that means you would come over here. Once you're done with the lesson, you're going to click on assessments. And you're going to go to this 1.00 plan pretest. Once I click on that, it's automatically going to start that quiz for me. For the collaboration product and reflection, I know it's the first thing on your assessments tab. I'd like for you to wait till the end of the segment and try to go to an exam review. If an exam review doesn't work out for you, you can go to any live lesson and it does count as your collaboration. All the lessons, whether it's a module lesson or an exam review, have a collaboration component to it. So you'll be good no matter which live lesson you go to. If you have to turn in a written assignment, so you'll either have a quiz or a written assignment, when you click on that assessment that needs a written assignment, you're going to get a helpful sheet that tells you what you need to submit with help videos at the top. And then you're going to get down to here where you can add your file. So you've already downloaded your assessment, which when I go back, I'll review how you get that document template. And now you're going to add that file to this assignment. So you would click Add Files. It's going to take you to your desktop. You find your file and upload it. And then you want to make sure that you click the Submit for Grading box. And then once you click the Submit for Grading, then you can hit the blue button that lets you submit for grading. Once you do that, it throws your assignment right into my grade book in order for me to grade and give you a grade for that assignment. Okay. So again, lessons is where you get all of your information. At the end of each lesson, last page tells you exactly what you want to turn in or what you need to turn in. If it is a written assignment, like I was talking about before, this last page is always going to have your document. So you'll always look for those highlighted words. Whatever the assignment is, that's the highlighted words you're going to look for. And when you click on that, it's going to give you your assignment. You can either print it. It would have to be printed into a PDF because all of your assignments do have to be typed and submitted. Or you can save it and save it onto your desktop. Your lessons, course information is just information on the course. So lots of information in there if you want to go through it. Assessments tab is where you go to submit your assignments or start your quizzes. If you need to resubmit an assignment, so I've given you a grade with some detailed feedback in your email, and you need to resubmit an assignment, you actually go to Gradebook because it's going to disappear from your assessments because you've already turned it in, but you want to resubmit now. Then you're going to go to Gradebook. The same thing that you would do if you were going to take it for the first time. So if it's a quiz, you're going to click on the quiz. It'll have you reset it, and you can retake the quiz if you want a higher grade. Just remember that you've tried, it's the very last grade that sticks. An assignment, a written assignment, you click on it, upload the new document, click the submit for grading box, and submit again, just as before. This is your email. You can either access your email here at the blue button or up here with this little envelope. That email, your class email. I send all of your feedback and all of your information through your class email. So make sure you're checking that each time you log on. In order to get back to your announcements page, you just click announcements. And you're back to where we started. If by chance you don't like the blue buttons, you can turn off that preference and you have all of the same access up here. So your lessons are here, your assessments tab, this is the announcement page, and then here's the main menu where you can access everything through this black main menu as well. Right. I hope this helps and helps you get started. If you end up having any more questions, always reach out to me. You can call, email, or text. Have a wonderful day and good luck getting started.